The first step is preparing the meat. Begin with a 3 to 4 pound chuck roast. Season it generously with salt and black pepper. Once it's well seasoned, place the roast in a crock pot. Next, it's time to add the flavor makers. Sprinkle the ranch dressing mix and the au jus gravy mix over the roast. Now, for the secret ingredient, pepperoncini peppers. Add 6 to 8 of these tangy, slightly sweet peppers to the crock pot, along with a 1/4 cup of juice from the pepperoncini jar. This will add a subtle heat and a depth of flavor that is signature to Mississippi pot roast. Then place a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter on top of the roast. If you're feeling adventurous, scatter thinly sliced onions and minced garlic around and on top of the meat. These optional ingredients will caramelize during the slow cooking process, adding another layer of flavor. Once all the ingredients are in the crock pot, cover it and cook on low for 8 hours. As the hours pass, the ingredients will blend together, creating a rich and flavorful gravy. When the cooking time is up, shred the meat with 2 forks, mixing it well with the juices and spices in the pot. To serve, ladle the roast with its gravy over mashed potatoes or rice, or tuck it inside a sandwich. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.